I just went to go get my cap and gowns, and they gave me my yard sign that says my name on it, and then they gave me these, the little things they give out at graduation. This is what I got, and it's on my bed because the rest of my room is dirty. So I'm gonna open it and see what the hell is in this. So as I said, my cap and gown is red. So here it is. I don't think I'll decorate it because I really need to I have to submit a video by today, the day I got it. This is my thingy. And here's my awards. I got the science award. I think it's just like a random award. I don't know. They probably gave this to everybody. Here is the tassel, red and black. They gave me 2 tassels. I don't know what that means. And they gave me this. I don't remember what it was for. Oh yeah, I think it was for having like a good GPA the whole time. So yeah, those are my 2 awards. So I also bought like 3 dresses from Ross because they were all last minute. I bought them yesterday. I got this dress. It's a white dress. It looks like this. And I'm gonna decide which one looks better with the robe, because I got like other white dresses because there was like no other nicer colors or anything. So white dress it was. And then I went to another Ross and I got this dress, but I don't know how it's gonna look like because it's red and red. And then this is the final one. I wasn't sure about this one. It's like this. Those are the 3 dresses. I'm gonna go and try them on. Here is the first dress. It's like long and I kind of don't like it, but I like the pattern and all. But this is how it looks like with the robe. I don't know how to feel about this. So there's like a mini problem with this. It's like it is so like there's like a deep V cut right here, and you can see my bra, and it's like kind of big. Okay, so this is what it would look. I don't know if I kind of like it. Maybe if this was like a little higher I would, but I'm not sure about it anymore. This is the last dress. It is like a simple dress that makes me look like an hourglass, even though I'm like, this is the final one. I'm not sure how I feel about it. This is what I get for like doing things last minute, because I just bought these dresses yesterday and I needed the dress for today. So if not, I would have ordered a prettier dress online that I actually wanted. But here it is. Here is the last dress. I don't know what you guys like. So this is like the finished look. I'm wearing this and this because the other people, the other stuff I was in, I guess, they didn't give me nothing. Even though you can see right there, I was on the drill team for 2 years. And they didn't care to give me a thing. If they see this, they're probably gonna talk about me. But oh well, I graduated and that was my main goal. And there's the cap thingy that I hate because I look like I have a big head. I am not wearing it like this. I'm folding it or something. I am not gonna wear it like that. I am not gonna wear it like that. What about like that? Okay, ignore my hairs, but like I'm probably gonna wear it like that or something because I hate it. And I'm not gonna do anything with this because sadly I'm not in the mood and I don't have the time either to do it. So right now I'm gonna like try on like a bunch of shoes, and don't worry, I'm not gonna look like this when the time comes. So first off, I am gonna try these chunky heels from Target and see how they look like. These are the first shoes. I think I'm gonna just go with these just to not try the rest. I think I'm fine with these. So, what time is it? I will start doing my makeup. So I'm starting off with my Mario Badescu spray, and then I'll put on my headband so I won't get anything on my hair like foundation or nothing. And then I start off with my brows, and I'm putting on the Morphe pomade right now. I think it's in the darkest shade. And so yeah, I'm brushing them out and all, trying to make them look as natural as possible, but not like too sparse or anything. So I am now cleaning up my brows with concealer and a flat brush from Morphe. I'm trying not to make it too obvious that there's a whole line under my brow. So I just kind of put them out, and now I am gonna blend it out with a wet beauty blender or sponge, I guess what it's called. So now I'm putting concealer on my eyelids, and I'm using the 15D palette from Morphe, and it has like all these warm colors in it, and I thought that will make my eyes pop out. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild brush and packing it with a light shade of orange so I can put it in my crease. So now I'm taking a pointier brush from Morphe, I don't know what it's called, but I'm taking a brown shade and putting it in my crease to make it more defined. And I don't know what shade it is, but it's like a muted brown. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild brush again and blending it out more just to make it seem more natural. And now I am putting on, I think it's a gold eyeshadow included in the palette, and just a little bit because I don't want it to like seem too bright on my eyes, just like something natural that didn't take me like 15 minutes to do or something. So now I'm using a Morphe brush, which is like less fluffier than the Wet n Wild one, and I'm putting a brick color on the outer V just to like make my eyeshadow look like a cat eye, something like that. I don't know how to explain it, but I thought it looked nice like that, so that's what I did. So now I'm packing more gold on my lid with my finger because for some reason it doesn't want to get on the brush, and it looks better with my finger. And then I'm taking my other brushes and blending the crease colors out more to make it look nicer. And then I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette and giving myself like a wing. Also, the brush is an eyeliner like brush from Elf, and it was like only $1, so you guys should go snatch that deal. And yeah, I'm like kind of trying to blend out that smoky eye, just even though it came out bad. But yeah, and this is a smoky eye brush from Wet n Wild. I don't know what it's called, but it's like flat, and it was like easier to blend out with that. And I think I ended up going for smoky eye in the end. And I know it looks weird, but that was my first time doing smoky eye. And now I'm using my e.l.f. putty primer. So I'm now blending in my primer, and I'm using my Wet n Wild foundation. And you guys should totally get this foundation. It's so good. And I'm just putting it all over my face for full coverage. And then I'm taking my beauty blender and blending it out, and it's also wet because I find that it blends out easier like that. Also, it looks like it's not my skin color, it looks like more paler, but I swear it is. I just kind of got like tanned a little bit. I don't know how, but yeah. So now I'm taking my e.l.f. bronzer, and I'm using another e.l.f. product, which is the brush, and I'm putting it like on my sides of my face just to warm up my foundation because it looks kind of pale. And then I'm using my Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche contour thingy, and I'm using a Wet n Wild thing brush, I guess. I have a lot of Wet n Wild stuff. I am so sorry. But yeah, I'm putting it like in a 3 kind of. Well, not really actually, but I'm just trying to give my face a more defined look. So now I'm curling my eyelashes, and I curl like in parts. I do it at the bottom and then I start going up and pressing it. I find that it actually helps a lot for all my straight lash girls out there. This is a game changer. And then I'm taking my contour palette again and a smaller brush, and I am contouring my nose so it looks a little bit more snatched because I do not like my nose. Well, actually I do. It's not bad, but whatever. Just love yourself, guys. So I am gonna curl my hair because my makeup is done. And I wanted to do my hair. I want to keep my hair straight, like straighten it more. But I don't think it looks good, so on me. So I'm just gonna curl it, and I am gonna curl it with like the tiniest one that I have because it's the only one that holds my curls for a while. And it like later it expands, and that's what I always do. Finish with my hair, and I combed it out, and now it looks weird. It looked better when it wasn't combed out for some reason. But here it is. This is what it looks like. I put some of this oil thing on it so it could just like stay kind of put. And now I'm gonna like spray it some hold. So now I have to figure out how I'm gonna do my hair with this cap. I look so ridiculous like this. It's like I feel like it makes me have like a big head, and I'm not about that big head life. So I saw some hacks that you can fold them. Okay, did I just figure it out? How does this look? I feel like it's making me look like I have a big forehead. Maybe I should do like a not middle part. How about like this? Okay, so does it not look weird? I feel like it looks kind of weird, but I'm gonna finish like with the rest of my makeup, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished with everything. This is my eye makeup. I put on lashes by Lash Dreams. I always use these lashes. They're called Harmony. Best thing I've ever. This whole brand is awesome. Oh, I think I put it way too close to my eyelash, to my inner corner, and that's like bothering me. Okay, so, and then I put a clip here so it can like stay down. But here it is. And my mom should be coming anytime soon, so I have to go take pictures and take a video. I will probably take you along with me, cause like right after I cleaned the whole mess I started in the bathroom. I also did my lips. This is the combo. I used the NYX retractable liner in nude pink, and then I used the NYX soft matte lip cream in Stockholm. So I will see you when I have to get dressed. So my room is like a huge mess, but I'm gonna put like lotion on my legs because they look weird. So I am gonna take pictures right here. Not pictures, but like my graduation video down here, like where my apartment complex is. And if I don't like that, I'm gonna go to the park. we're gonna do both of them actually and see which one looks better, because this is due at midnight. Missing someone.